Hello all of you. This is the second tutorial regarding Poisson mechanism. Poisson mechanism is a lower chain mechanism which is used to draw straight line. First of all, it consists of 8 links. Now let us draw diagram of Poisson equation. Poisson mechanism, sorry. You can mark these points as O, O1, A, B, C and D. Now what does this do? First of all, we can see that O1A is a crank. Now if we second thing, we put a pencil at B. Now if we rotate the crank about O, then what would happen? Just see. If we rotate the crank this way, from point this to this, now we draw it here. This thing will happen. Just I think what I am trying to say is that the the distance between A and B will increase because OC, OD, AC, BC, AD, BD, O1A and O01. These all are fixed. So what is the variable here? The length AB. So as I will rotate O1A like this, the distance between A and B will increase. That will C and D will more come close together. But as OC and OD is constant, it will always move in a straight line. Now, since in the previous tutorial we have seen that for straight line condition, OB into OA must be constant. Now how would we prove this? Now from the figure we can see that, let us redraw the figure. This time more correctly, more accurately. O, O1, A, B, C, D. Mark this point as R, the intersection point, and this is a straight line which we have to obtain through this mechanism. Now from the following figure we can see that AC is equal to BC is equal to BD is equal to DA, and OC is equal to OD and O01 is equal to O1A. Now let us consider triangle ORC and BRC. Now you can see here that it is a right triangle here. So by Pythagoras theorem, in triangle ORC, OC square is equal to OR square plus RC square. Similarly, in triangle BRC, BC square is equal to BR square plus RC square. If we subtract this equation 1 and this equation 2, 1 minus 2, then OC square minus BC square is equal to BR OR square plus RC square minus BR square minus RC square. So this will cut out and it will become OR square minus BR square. Then you can see that OR, what is OR? OR is equal to OR is equal to OA okay, let it be OR. Divide this as OR minus BR and OR plus BR. Now let us see what is OR minus BR. You can see here that OR minus BR is OA. How? Because BR is equal to AR. Since this one is a rhombus, or you can consider it a square, so all the sides are equal, so it will bisect the diagonal. So BR is equal to AR. So OR minus BR is equal to OR minus AR, which is equal to OA, and what was the second one? OR plus BR. OR plus BR is equal to OR. No, let it be OR plus BR. We can see it is OB. Therefore, from the last equation, we can see that OC square minus BC square is equal to OA into OB. Now, let us consider LHS. OC square minus BC square. OC and BC. Since both the lengths are the lengths of the link, so they will remain constant. So OA into OB is equal to constant. So this proves that B will travel in a straight line. And this was a required Poisson law mechanism. Thank you for watching the video.